Here are the components for the project. So there's the PCB, you've got your all-important QX5252 IC, that's the one with the 4 legs coming out of it, your 2 diodes, your inductor and a capacitor, a couple of SMD components, and you're good to go. This is what it looks like when it arrives, just the PCB itself before putting it all together. And you can see those SMD parts on the back. This is when it's all wired up and working, and we've got a NiMH, a nickel metal hydride rechargeable battery at the back there, providing just 0.9 volts. And I'll switch that over to what comes out of the output, and that's with a chip in there operating, and it's around 5.2 volts at the moment. That's from a 5.1 volt Zener. So then once that chip has been programmed, then it's fine to run just from that 5.2-ish volts outputs to the LED. And I just think I put the fade sketch on there. So let's have a look at that. So there it is, fading out of PB0 in and out from an A-Tiny 85 running at internally 8 megahertz. Using the stable Joule Thief from a 0.9 volt nickel metal hydride rechargeable battery. So yeah, that's the project working.